Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you my experience traveling from KK all the way to Kaohsiung. On the 1st of January, I fly to Taiwan using flight AK1510. It's a direct flight from AirAsia, direct terus pergi Taiwan. I woke up really early to go to the airport because my flight is at 6 AM. The journey took about 3 hours and 25 minutes, reaching Taoyuan International Airport Terminal 1 at 9:25 AM. The journey was smooth, and with the earliest flight, I managed to see my first sunrise for 2024. The view is so beautiful and so cantik. When the sunrise illuminates Mount K, it was so marvelous. Totally worth my 3 hours sleeping time only. Also, everyone still at home lazy to fly, and I was the only one sitting at the back of the plane. After the usual immigration, I went down to B1 arrival zone and took the Kaohsiung bus to go to Taipei Main Station to catch my next bus to Kaohsiung. When you reach Taipei Main Station, look for this underground tunnel and take the escalator to go to Taipei bus station. Right after the escalator, on your left, there should be another flight of stairs that goes down. Follow the Y1 punya path. Once you reach, go inside and look for this counter that sells the bus ticket. Go look for U-Bus at counter 10 and 11 to buy the ticket. Bus price ticket is 550 NTD. Half price is for those above 65 and under 12 years old. After buying the ticket, proceed to the bus platform on the 3rd floor. We're supposed to jalan at 3:50 PM, but due to some delay, the bus only jalan around 4:30 PM and we reached Kaohsiung at around 9:30 PM.